The 2019 MacBook Pro is all about refinement. Let's go ahead and dig into Apple's latest 8-core monster. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and I've got the 2019 MacBook Pro 15-inch with the 8-core 2.4 GHz i9 processor, the Vega 20 GPU, and 32 gigs of RAM. After debuting in 2016, Apple has kept the design of the MacBook Pro pretty steadfast over the years, but what they've done is slowly refine the problems that cropped up with that first model. Things like the keyboard, and adding a lot more power, and even the throttling issues that we saw in the previous year. The design of the MacBook Pro still looks pretty amazing for being as old as it is. The only thing we'd really like to change is maybe some slightly thinner bezels around the display, but otherwise it looks pretty top notch. When we check out the performance this year, we are pretty impressed with all the results that we got. In Geekbench, we got a score of 3096 as an average of 10 back-to-back tests. Our highest in that series was 3160 and the lowest was still impressive at 3012. Even more impressive, however, is Apple fixed those thermal issues that we saw in the past. The processor was only rated at 2.4 GHz from Apple, but we were getting a core frequency of 3 GHz steadily after it came back down from its turbo boost speed of 5. We've heard that new thermal paste or the thermal paste application could be responsible for the better gains in heat performance. In our old standby Geekbench 4, we received a multi-core score of 29976 and a single core score of 5879. Those gains are really impressive, especially over the 6-core 2018 model, which scored 22620 on that multi-core test. That's a nearly 30% gain over last year's models. The MacBook Pro is still a beast of a machine. It's an amazing pro laptop. USB-C and Thunderbolt 3 have become the standard pretty much across the space, and you can easily find cables, or if you have to, adapters that'll fit those. But we've really gone all in on USB-C and don't have a single dongle lying around. The display is still gorgeous with 500 nits of brightness, and of course it supports the P3 wide color gamut, night shift, and true tone. The other refinement that is in place with the 2019 MacBook Pros is a slightly updated keyboard. Apple changed the heat treatment process on their little metal dome switches on the inside, and they've switched the membrane from a more silicone material to a nylon material. This should hopefully improve reliability in the long term. Again, the name of the game with the 2019 MacBook Pro is refinement. This has been on the market since 2016, and Apple has slowly been iterating on all the small things to make this the perfect laptop. Sure, it didn't receive a major redesign, which we didn't expect. That'll likely come next year. But with a new redesign comes a whole new crop of issues that Apple has to work through as they iterate on those machines. So the 2019 MacBook Pro, it may look similar to the past few, but this is the perfect laptop that Apple was hoping to make when it debuted the machine all those years ago. If you want to pick up a MacBook Pro, you can find the best prices down at the links in the description. Let us know what you think down in the comments, and if you want to continue the conversation, go ahead and shout at me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.